Hi everyone, my name is Alicia with Plant Addiction in East Central PA, growing zone 5B, 6A. And today I'd like to do an unboxing for you from Mountain Crest Gardens. I ordered last week on Wednesday and it was too late for the shipping for that week. So they sent it to me and I just got it. So as you can see, the package was a little damaged in the mail, a little bit. It's probably still okay though. So let me open this up. Here we go. Now, I've never ordered from them before, but I ordered several kits from them. Oh, that's nice. That's interesting. So you can see. Isn't that nice? Look inside from Mountain Crest Gardens. Hopefully you can see that. Oh, it's like a little booklet. A thank you. Here, standing like got succulent cuttings. It just tells you a little bit about winter care. Let me see if I can get this here for you. And summer care. Oh, a little thing, which succulent is right for you. Hopefully you can see that okay. And, oh, 10% off your next order. And let me see what this says. This is probably the invoice. Yep, okay. So I don't want to put package or anything, but all right, I'm going to fold this up so you can see what I got. I got Sempervivum Palaceae, I'm not sure, an exclusive, a sampler, hardy succulent sampler set of 9, another pack of 4 of large plugs, and another pack of 9 large plugs of the Sempervivums, and then the Sempervivum calcareum greenii. Oops, I don't know if you can see that. Okay. I don't need somewhere to put all this stuff. Oh boy. Let me get a container. Careful here. Not sure how far down they are. Oh, there's some. Oh. Okay. I don't know what. There's a sampler pack. Not sure. Should I get all this out without grabbing them? Oh, there's a lot here. Okay, I'm going to start pulling some of them out. I'll do the best I can here. I'll move the box over a little bit and get a better look at them. Okay, these look like 2-inch plugs. Okay, and this is the, I don't know if you can say it here, Sempervivum Uffelii, I think it's called. And I'm gonna get it in the light. Actually pretty nice, huh? Okay. Oh, they're all like individual here. So I should have, I think 20 altogether. Okay, so, and here I paid extra for these two. These are the Sempervivum calcareum greenii. Another, they're all 2 inches, what I can see, what I can tell. Oh, let me see if I can get in closer for you. About that. There we go. And This was part of one of the 9 packs. Sedum Reflexum Blue Spruce. I hate that it won't. There we go. Okay. Sedum Blue Spruce. Oh, let me get that in there for you. Okay. Oh, okay. So it looks like, here we go. Now that I can see the box here. Looks like, well, let me get all the paper off of it here. Okay. So this was in this box here, but this is the blue spruce. These are 2 I paid extra for. Okay, and then here's a box of one of the 9. This must be the sampler pack because the other ones are just the Sempervivums. Okay, so this is, let me get this out for you. Oh, this one's falling out of its pot already. Oh, let's see. Oh, it's, okay, some of it came out already. So it basically fell out of its pot, but that's okay. This one is, let's see if I'm going to show up. Sempervivum Comte de Conga. Okay. Little 2-inch plug. It's actually a nice plug, nice size plug. This looks like a little succulent thing here. Sedum. Come on. You know you want to focus. Or not. Just doesn't want to do it. It is Sedum Macanoi Salsa Verde. Okay. I'll have to speed this up for you when I go to edit it. This one is Sempervivum Aphelii Henry Coravon. Sempervivum Aphelii Miller's Violet. I think this is the blue spruce, is it? Nope. Sedum Reflexum Angelina. Sedum Aphelii Sundancer. I hope I'm saying these right, Aphelii. I'm not really sure. I just know how to take care of them. I don't know how to pronounce them. This is the blue spruce I showed you before. This one seems like some of them are missing some of the, a little bit of soil that must have fell out during shipment. Because our good folks at the USPS, that's how they were sent, have been very busy trying to get packages out to everybody. So Sempervivum Arachnoidum Kappa. This one's kind of dirty. Let me see if I can blow it off real quick. Oh. This has like little spider webs in the middle there. And this one's really cute. This one's quite adorable, actually. Let me see. Sempervivum Spring Beauty. That one it definitely is. I really like that one. Okay. I'll get these back in here so we can get up in the other ones. Okay. And then let me see here. trying to get off all the little papers that are on there. This box slid out of the way here. Now these are the large plugs that I ordered, a pack of 4 of large plugs. Now they're plugs, so I don't tell you what they are, but they're the Sempervivums. Hens and chicks. Put this in my hands so I can get it for you real quick. Ooh, that one's like cottony on the top. Ooh. That's pretty neat. Turn this around. Trying to get in the light just right for you. This has a lot of pretty colors. I don't know what kind this is, but it's very pretty. A lot of vibrant colors to it. Okay, I'll put those back in. And then this is the other pack of 9 large plugs. Try to get these papers off. I would imagine they'd have these all over their office. And I hope they don't have cats. Okay. Pack of 9 of large plugs. And that one real pretty. Very nice. It's a nice size plug actually. Look at it. It's much bigger than the base. This looks like another arachnoid one, possibly. Not really sure. Usually if I see the spider web things, that's what they are. Okay. And this one's very pretty. It has like white tips on the ends. A lot of reds in there. Oh, little babies, little chicks. They're pretty nice. Nice coloring. I apologize for the shakiness. Oh, this one has paper on it. Let's see, here we go. I think I got it. I'll show it to you as best I can. This one needs to get cleaned off a little bit more, probably a lot more vibrant. Once it's cleaned off a bit. Has good roots to it, as you can see on all these. And look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Okay. And the oranges on this one. Now the camera is picking them up a bit more vibrant than in real life. However, I think it's just because they're dirty, and they probably, once they're washed off, they probably will be just as vibrant as they are on the camera. Okay. These have quite a bit of soil on them. This reminds me of a bunch of little jelly beans like the other one over there. It's the same kind. And this looks like another arachnoid type. These are actually pretty neat. I have one out in my backyard that got pretty big, and they're actually very nice. once they open up all the way and that webbing spreads out and everything, it's pretty neat. Okay, so that's the pack of 9 Sempervivum large plugs. I got, let me see here if I can get these back in. For now. Okay, so this is the pack of 9 Sempervivum large plugs. This is a pack of 4 Sempervivum large plugs. Okay. This is their Sempervivum and a 9-piece Sempervivum and sampler pack. And then the other 2 are ones that I ordered separately. The Palissy, I don't know how you say that. And the Greeny Eye. Okay, so there you go, Mountain Crest Gardens. Like I said, I ordered them last week. I was too late for the shipping for last week. They shipped them out this week, and I got them in like a day or 2 of shipping. I didn't get a shipping email from them when they shipped it out exactly. So I wasn't sure exactly when they were going to come. And then I sent them an email asking them if they were shipping out. And they're like, oh, here's your tracking order. And here, the mailman had just delivered them. So that kind of worked out. So if you get a chance, go on over to Mountain Crest Gardens and order some Sempervivums and some succulents. Just so you know, I'm not paid at all. I don't get any kind of commission or anything for this. I just wanted to share it with everyone, okay? All right, if you like my videos, please like and subscribe. Thank you.